That means TMC will come prepared.
Naturally.
Sorry,
the
that's what we
BJP
don't
is,
want.
why do you
We
take
can't-
names of
there can't
political
be a
parties? Why do you take names of political
Please
parties?
don't introduce political party tussle, my lord, in the hearing.
No, no.
You have done it. Why do you
Political
say
party.
that?
Yes, that's the.
Who has said?
political
You
party.
took the name of TMC, not I. Well, just have a look at page 1. Your lordships will get a brief idea as to what it is about.
That
No.
index itself.
Yes. Just the first page gives you bird's eye.
Page one inside.
Yes.
Same, it appears to be same.
Starts with number of days left for final publication.
Hmm.
27. Number of days left to complete hearings, 20 days. Number of voters categorized on draft roll as unmapped, 32 lakhs. Number of voters categorized as logical discrepancy post-draft roll publication, 1.36 crores. It is 20% of the entire population of West Bengal. Notices pending for generation, 20 lakhs. Total notices delivered, 54 lakhs. Notices pending for delivery, 86 lakhs. Number of hearings held since 1612, which means, Millers, we are 1 month, in 1 month, 15 lakhs only.
40,000 per day.
40,000 per day, and only 20 days are left for completion of hearing. And then number of hearings pending, 1.25 crores. Documents pending for verification at DEO level, 26 lakhs. From 15 lakhs hearing completed. Documents verified, 3 lakhs only. 3 lakhs. Number of hearings, venues approved, 500 minutes in a large state like that. Out of 1,900 plus venues required. Number of BLAs allowed to assist, 0. And number of approved documents rejected after hearing stage commenced. Now, let me just briefly tell you, Lordship, what our grievance is. Number 1, what is this logical discrepancy? The logical discrepancy is based on and how can the child, if there is a 15-year difference between the father and the mother and the child, there's a logical discrepancy. If there's a X number of years difference between the grandfather and the child, then that's a logical discrepancy. All these names, Millers, are on the voters list. They are in the draft roll. Just notice that. Draft load, we filed forms related back to 2002. All this is done. Despite that, Millers, there's a logical discrepancy. Millers, I want only one request from your lordships.
Yes.
Let them publish the list of all these logical discrepancies, Millers, booth-wise, with hearing schedule, Millers. We have no grievance. That's point number 1. Let them publish the list. We don't know. Number 2, Millers, they say in Bihar matter, your lordships allowed the BLAs to assist, Millers. They say that was only at the enumeration stage, filling the form stage. Therefore, we allowed the BLA. We want the BLA to assist. He said, no, this is a quasi-judicial hearing. We can't let the BLA assist. Right? So this is what they're... But, Millers, in this case, there was no nomination form filled. The documents have to be prepared, given at the hearing, Millers. Because in Bihar, they had to fill the form. The documents had to be given. So, Millers, then they say in their reply, but you can have a legal assistance. Your lordship may pass an order, let all the BLAs be allowed to legally assist. That will solve the problem. Give us the list. Give us all the list at the panchayat level.
No, list of the
Logical discrepancy.
Logical discrepancy. There's no need for that, quite frankly, Millers. Now, what do they say? If the name is Millers Ganguly and is spelled, Millers, differently, your lordship knows in Bengal. If it's Datta, it's spelled differently, Millers. Now they say all these are logical discrepancies. We'll call them for a hearing, even though they are named in the list. They have filed the form. Millers, this is all just to ensure that deletion takes place.
It's not correct, that if there is a spelling mistake, then notice is being issued. There is a specific direction that please do not issue notice if there is simply a spelling error, if it can be traced. But the logical discrepancy is this, that some people,
I'm not matching. What is this?
their parents and their own age difference is only 15 years.
how can that be a logical discrepancy?
That's not possible, my lords.
Is that so?
15 years, so
Yes.
all the,
How can we are not in a country where there is no child marriage.
no, what I'm saying is that therefore, my lord, this, what we have issued notice is for correcting. Sometimes this age difference may be an error. Sometimes this age difference may be an error which needs to be corrected on the roll. So the notice is being sent so that the
can be an error in description of the age.
Yes,
Or it can actually be a case of child marriage.
that's.
And if that is so, still you don't have any.
So we are only issuing notice, not that it will be definitely deleted, but if suppose the person can come and say it can be corrected on the electoral roll.
You have to
Under
travel
section
25
five-
kilometers.
All right, but what is the problem in not permitting this, what is BLO broke?
BLA, Maharaj,
BLA
block
is-
level agents, Maharaj.
We have allowed the individual to appear through any representative. It is for him to choose.
Just a minute, let the BLAs be
Just a
allowed.
minute, please, if you don't mind.
Election Commission.
The booth level agents are appointed by all the parties. Now, if we say that both level agents can all appear, then all the booth level agents of all political parties will
You
appear.
want political parties to participate, Mr. Dwivedi. That has been your argument.
Sorry, my lords?
It has been your argument all through that this is an inclusive process to have a fair electoral role.
Yes.
And the political parties must actively participate. Now, where is the
I'm
difference?
saying in the hearing, they participate in going into the house and house surveys, they participate. They are,
Why not in the hearing? A next of friend can always assist.
my lord, then there are 10 booths, they will be fighting each other, my lord, it will be impossible to do
Why
it.
should
No,
there
no,
be a fight?
you, there is a way out. The person concerned will
He
come
should-
with one BLA. You are allowing him to appear. Suppose the litigant is sitting at home and three lawyers come in court saying that no, I am representing him or I am representing him or I am representing him. And they start fighting only because one belongs to A political party, the other belongs to B political party and third to C political party. Then this mess will be created, understandable. But if I have a case and if I go over in the company of one BLA and I tell your officer that he is the person who will represent me, then whatever information you require, you only take from him. Don't accept the
Therefore, we have said that the person concerned to whom notice is issued, he can appoint a representative.
representative.
So it is for him to decide to whether he wants to appoint the BLA or somebody else.
That representative.
But they are wanting to say that every time some current, then their BLA must be there. That can't be done, my lords.
Maharaj, if he,
It is for the individual voter to appoint. If my case is there, then I will appoint X, my lord or Y.
So the authorized voter will appoint
Yes.
a representative.
They
and
let
that
him appoint
representative-
anybody.
That representative may include BLA.
Whoever he may appoint, my lord, but he can't, they can't say that the political party, let's say, TMC or BJP or anybody, they insist that no, in every time hearing, our agent should be, that can't be done.
No, not every hearing, but whatever
So
hearings are
therefore-
required.
We have said so in our order that a person concerned can appoint a political
Now,
representative.
Now, what is the status of these lists? Of these persons who are in this doubtful discrepancy?
Yes.
What about displaying their lists?
I think, Lord, your lordship's order is already there. It should be displayed. Should have been displayed.
not displayed, not displayed.
Complete items.
Oh, yeah, you have to display.
Only deleted persons, Mr. Dwivedi, only deleted persons' names were listed. It would be requiring the logical discrepancy, let their names also be put up
It will be.
in the panchayat offices, the way deleted persons have been.
No difficulty, Manoj.
With the hearing.
So Maharaj, let it be at the panchayat level. I'm sorry.
Just a minute.
In the same fashion, my lord, as the lordship
same
said
fashion
earlier,
as
in the
its
same
deleted
manner, we do it.
All right, write down.
Maharaj, one other point, Maharaj. 1 second. They are saying,
If
they have said,
after the order, if you think that something is required to be added, we will hear you. If you say it's fine, no need of.
only one small request, Maharaj. This must apply only also to unmapped and mapped. All the lists, both mapped and unmapped, should be provided to us. That's all.
No, what is that map and unmapped?
Maharaj, the
Mapped means those who are linked with the earlier SIR. Mapped means those who are linked with the earlier SIR and
That's
those
right.
who are not
They are-
linked.
So those lists and whatever it is, those lists should be provided. And then we'll have the individuals appoint the BLA and then it be. And Maharaj, what they are saying that no, there is no mismatch. They are saying name as appearing in the roll, not matching with mentioned in the SIR. That's what they are saying, Maharaj.
Those who are named are already in the list. Your name to me, yeah.
This
Of course
is
not.
for the
As long as they give us an opportunity with the schedule of hearing, Maharaj. They must tell us, this is the schedule of hearing, this is the list, this is the list, this is the reason, logical discrepancy or whatever. We'll argue it. Yes, we'll come prepared, Maharaj. That's all we want. Nothing more than that.
We come prepared means TMC will come prepared.
Naturally.
Sorry, Manoj, that's
The
what we
BJP
don't
is,
want.
why do you
It
take
can't-
names of
there can't
political
be a
parties? Why do you take names of political
Please
parties?
don't introduce political party tussle, my lord, in the hearing.
You have done it. Why do you
Political
say that?
Yes, that's the,
Who has said?
political
You took
party-
the name of TMC, not I.
Mr. Sibal, the affected person
You are
will be
representing
entitled to have one authorized representative.
That's fine.
We are not concerned about the identity of that authorized representative. Let us not say, let us not use the word political or non-political.
That's correct, Maharaj.
I want to accompany in the, along with a lawyer, I can take that lawyer.
Yeah.
I want to accompany with my father can represent me. I want to accompany some my neighborhood, he can do that.
Correct, correct.
So we are-
Including BLA.
and the schedule will be given, schedule is of hearing is given to the person concerned, not
Including
TMC.
BLA, Maharaj, including BLA, that's all.
Not the petitioner